looks cool,
it?
huh? Yeah.
Looks good.
I mean, it's a big truck for an electric vehicle. I mean,
What size wheels are those?
24.
Yeah, they're big.
Tailgate's nice. Got the extra step.
With your gray hairs, it'll help you get in there.
For sure, for sure.
The interior is cool. It looks futuristic.
So where are we going?
I'd road trip it to Michigan. I'll try the Super Cruise out.
I think I would want to take it outdoors. If you had some farmland or some country land to drive around on some country roads.
I've got a watermelon field we can go to.
Yeah. Is there a trunk in there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. That's a good surprise. Is this where you smash it?
No, we saved that for after the race tie.
I think you could actually fit more in there. The mid's a lot bigger than I thought. Lay the mid gate down.
Hey, Eric. As a pickup truck driver myself, I look for the parking spot where I'm not gonna get boxed in. I won't have to do that anymore. Four-wheel steer is gonna let me get into those spots that I can't get into right now. We've got an all-electric Chevy Silverado that can go 400 miles on one charge. I'm blown away. I didn't think you could tow 10,000 pounds in an electric truck.
Well, now you can.
The first ever all-electric Silverado.
It's the EV Silverado.
I'm ready to order one now.